stir it very well. Give the needed thickness of the semovita. So we put fire. We put water on fire. So prepare semovita. Put water on fire first. Then allow it to boil. Next is to bring out the powder, and then put it in water and mix it. So we add the powder semovita into water at room temperature and mix it well. Not allow it to be too thick. It has to be a little bit light, but not too much water. Mix it very well. As you can see what we are doing here, add it to water, mix it very well. We must ensure it is lump free. That is what we had. That is what we are doing right now. So we stir it very well so that there will be no lump. Right? But you make sure that you put like half of the quantity needed or less than that in water, in plain water, cold water. Stir it to form a paste, a light paste like this. So that is what you will need first in the boiling water. You had the mixed paste. It is very light into the boiling water. You allow that to begin to boil gradually while stirring it continuously to avoid lumps. Achieve the needed thickness of the semovita. This is to ensure that there is no lumps. Otherwise, if you add the large quantity of semovita at once to the hot water, you end up having big lumps that are difficult to dissolve. So you add them gradually while stirring it, allowing it to blend in. So that the fresh powder will mix well with the cooked one, allow everything to cook together. You don't allow it to stay too much on fire, better not to get it burned onto the pot. So you stir it very well so that you achieve very light paste while still hot. So we have the scooping plastic to serve it onto the plates. So So you definitely need the stirrer, which is actually a wooden pestle, small pestle, or what we locally call orogun, to do the stirring well. So small sizes for the children. So try it. It's best served with your favorite soup. Good with some vegetable and semovita. Served here with vegetable soup. Do like and share the video. Don't forget to click the notification bell in order to get notified when I bring another interesting video like this. I want to see you in my next video. Until another time, bye.